So today we are going to talk about how to do keyframe. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, this is the new channel and I will teach you a lot of like CapCut tutorials to Resolve or Premiere Pro CC on your laptop or your PC, and a lot of like recordings from my Sony cameras and my cell phones and a lot of traveling vlogs. Make sure you subscribe this channel, and this is going to be a brand new channel, and let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to explain to you what is keyframe, and secondly is what is benefit having a keyframe, and thirdly is I'm going to just teach you how to do keyframes on your CapCut. And keyframes is basically a way to make your video way more dynamic instead of just like having a still shot and then nothing moving. Or sometimes if you want to do panning, like from left to right, you don't have to use your camera to do it anymore, because you can actually use a keyframe to do whatever you want, like left to right, straight up and down, or zoom in and zoom out. You can do something like that. So it's all about like how you want your camera to be, but without moving your camera, but using the keyframe. So first of all, here is a video that we went on a trip, and then basically what you have to do is, a lot of people keep missing this, is like you have to highlight the video clip. And when you highlight the video clip, you want to make sure this is white, you can see, and you have to look at the top right here. There's transforms, there's like scale, and then right at the side you can see there is like diamond shape. You can actually click there. Okay, you can click there, click transform. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to tell you is, when you do keyframes, you must have the first point keyframe and then the second keyframe. You need to have two keyframes to make it work. If you have one keyframe, it doesn't really work, because it's kind of like getting very confusing if you just first started. You must have two key points. One is the beginning, one is at the end. And now, right at the end, this is what we want to edit. You want to tell the CapCut what do you want to go. You want to zoom in or you want to zoom out, right? It depends all you want. And then let's just say I want to zoom in. Now you can see your video will become like this. Zoom in, just like that. And now let's just say I want to go left and right. You can do the same thing too. So two keyframe and then left or right, just like that. And now you can actually just like go left and right, just like that. But it did go left and right already, but may not be too obvious. Now let's just say I want to zoom out. Now it's like zooming out. So this is how you do keyframes in your CapCut. Make sure that if you want to zoom in, when you want to do zoom out, sometimes I rather have like a little bit wider angle. So let's just say if you have like let's just say if your videos, this is the object, you want to stand all the way to the back and record that video, so it's more room for you to adjust like left to right, up and down, things like that. So make it more and more dynamic. All right, so I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel and share this video, and I will have another video very soon. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.